The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for Ripley County in Indiana until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 7 miles west-southwest of Holton, moving east-northeast at 34 miles an hour. Locations in the path of this storm include Holton, Versailles, Osgood, Napoleon, Milan, Battisville, and Sunman. If you are near the path of this storm, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Mobile homes and vehicles should be abandoned for more substantial shelter. Avoid windows. Please report tornadoes, funnel clouds, strong winds, or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday evening for southeast Indiana and northern Kentucky and southwest Ohio.